Tired of spending hours brainstorming and writing content? This video will show you how to leverage the power of AI to create compelling content in 2025. We'll dive into the top AI tools that can help you write engaging copy, design captivating graphics, and even produce video content. If you're a content creator, marketer, or entrepreneur, you already know the struggle. You're drowning in content demands. You're expected to be on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn all at once. And let's be honest, who has the time or energy for all that? That's why 2025 is all about working smarter, not harder. AI is transforming how content is created. These tools are no longer just futuristic ideas, they're essential for today's digital creators. Speed, consistency, automation. Let's break down how they can work for you. Jasper, Copy AI and Writer can write blog posts, captions, and even full marketing funnels in seconds. Imagine typing a topic and getting a whole article. Done. Tools like Runway ML and Lumen 5 let you generate full videos using text prompts and templates. They're great for Reels, explainers, and YouTube Shorts. Use Midjourney or dall-e to create custom thumbnails, illustrations, and product mockups. No design skills? No problem. So why should you care? Increased efficiency. AI does the grunt work, freeing you up for strategy and vision. Enhanced quality. Get instant suggestions, keyword improvements, and visual prompts. Cost savings. Scale your output without hiring a whole team. This is just the beginning. AI is evolving fast, getting smarter, faster, and more intuitive every month. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, now's the time to explore and embrace these tools. Because in 2025, it's not about who works harder, it's about who works smarter with AI. Hit the like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe to SyneX for weekly videos and check out my playlist, AI-Powered Business.